Hello, my engine children and children, welcome again to JVLOGS. It's Mark Plunkett. As you can see, I'm freshly cut. I have a fresh hairdo, and it's going on nice. But sorry for not posting Friday, Saturday. It got really busy for me, so I didn't get to post anything. So I really want to apologize for that, but you know, thanks for tuning in and checking out the rest of the videos. Guys, when I don't post, I expect you to check out the rest of the videos on the channel, the ones that you missed. They're very short, so you can, you know, check them out and stuff like that. Today is Sunday and I'm going up to my auntie to go at a little barbecue and stuff, get some food, you know, and stuff like that in my tummy, because you know I'm a big man. You know, so my belly long, but just joking. Yeah, man. So I just wanted to touch base with you guys, and you know, I have a little story. So I was in Walmart the other night, and I was shopping for some stuff in the baby aisle. I'm not a father or anything. Somebody sent me out, and I was shopping there and thing, and I heard some kids like laughing. They're older kids. They're about age 14 to be exact, cause they mentioned their age. Right, and I heard them giggling and, you know, acting a fool and stuff like that. Then I hear stuff dropping off the shelf, like boxes, the Pampers and stuff dropping on the floor. So I went around and I looked, and I was like, what are you guys doing? So I got angry, because when I looked, the kids were throwing stuff on the floor. Literally walking around us, throwing down stuff on the floor. They don't care. They were just being very disrespectful, and you know, that really pissed me off to the extent where I just cussed them out. Sorry, let me adjust the camera. Today it pissed me off to the point where I just cussed them out. I had to cuss them out because they were being disrespectful. They were being very rude, and that is not acceptable. You can't go into Walmart and throw down stuff on the floor and expect other people to come and take it up for you. You're actually being mischievous. You're creating problems for people that work at Walmart, right? It is so hard for people to work on a day-to-day basis, packing up shelves, lifting up stuff, and then you go in there after they pack up the stuff neatly, after the manager or whoever, the boss, antagonize them for the entire shift that they're on. You know, in them back every minute, pack this here, pack that here, and then you know, come in as a little rude old pitney when I no respect, not about you. Come in at people them store, throw down the people them things on the ground for no reason at all. Why these kids are like this? And I see adults there, and they didn't say anything to them. But me take it up on myself. I took it up on myself to cuss them out and send them in at them parents and cuss up about for them, and them run off like some fool. And them know say they're not supposed to be doing it, and they're still doing it. Anything that get to me the most is that they're not babies. You see what I'm saying? So they leave the home going around giving trouble when police shoot them and lock them up and arrest them. And hear this and hear that. Police don't like black people, pick me up, this and that, or Mexican. Most of these kids go around give trouble, and the parents and the adults that are there, they don't take it up on themselves to correct these kids and put them in them place and say, here what you're doing is wrong, I need to go home to your parents. 11 or 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock at night, these kids are out in Walmart giving trouble. They're supposed to be home. But no, instead the parents have them out. Some of them parents, they can't even blame the parents, because the parents don't even know what they're doing on the road. And it really gets to me, because people have to work so hard, and then you go dirty up people's place, you go throw down things. It is very disrespectful, and I hate it. I just wanted to get that out of my mind. So I want to say to adults out there, even young adults, 20, 24, whatever it is, if you see kids giving trouble, correct them. Don't be afraid. Don't be a blinking lawsuit in this country about lawsuit I get in. I don't care. When you find me, when you try home, you don't find me. When I don't cussing or sending on the parents and on the grandparents. When you think when you can ramp with me, if my son I get trouble, I tell you the son I get trouble. Because you're not supposed to be giving trouble, because people work too hard for the little dollar. Them people working like slave. and you know destroying people things. It makes no sense. But hear what? I'm not even mad anymore. I'm going to enjoy this barbecue. But guys, you know, if you have run into people like this, make sure to set these kids straight, because at the end of the day, they are the future. They are the future generation. Them are going to come look after us when we're old and grey. And if they don't have any discipline now, just imagine, our life is at stake. They won't take care of us. They're going to treat us bad and send us into homes and this and that with automated system and robots taking care of us. There's no love anymore, man. So hear what, people. Thanks for watching again. I really, really appreciate it. Ensure that you subscribe and share for more. Thanks for supporting JVLOGS. Look out for more interesting mini clips and stuff like that. And ensure that you subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I really, really, really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. I'm out. Thanks, guys. Oh, JVLOGS, check out my chain. Check out my chain. Bling, 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 bling. Check out me. Hey. Twitter. Oh my God. Bye-bye, guys.
Hey, no.